又嚟到交涉現場咯喎，咁今日咧我哋咧就好榮幸咧就請到咧騰龍Tamron嘅喺日本嘅高層兩位，包括咧佐藤先生啦，同埋咧呢個中川先生咧就接受我哋訪問嘅。咁大家都知道咧，騰龍啱啱咧就公布咗3支新鏡啦，咁咧所以咧即係我會問一啲咧即係同呢3支鏡相關嘅問題嘅。咁thank you for the interview. Okay. I want to ask some question about the 3 new lenses. For this, the 35mm first. Why is Tamron launching this lens for DSLR in this moment? So because we all know this is the trend is going to the mirrorless.
なぜ 35mm の 1.4 って各社からいろんなレンズが出るっていうのがあるんですけど、そこの中で一番最後に一番性能のいいものを出したいというようなのがあって、それを出したというのがあります。
This is we are in the transition period from the current DSLR to the mirrorless full frame, and we are the last manufacturer to introduce the f2.8, 2.4, 35mm in this category. So we need to, our aim is to introduce the best quality image lens on this category. That's our purpose.
Okay. So is the last prime DSLR lens?
最後ですか？
いや、それはまだ。
We haven't decided yet. We not yet decided.
Okay. So how does this lens compare with your 35mm 1.8? Yeah, because you also have the
02にと比べて、このレンズはどうですか？
ああ、なるほど。これ見せた方が本当はいいんですけどね。こちらが従来の31.8ってやつで、こちらが新しいこのレンズですね。こちらのレンズなんですけど、こちらのレンズっていうのはこの高画質であって、で手ブレ補正をつけている、あと最短撮影距離が非常に短いっていうのがあって、このバランスを非常に取ったようなレンズなんですね。でどちらかというとカジュアルに撮れるレンズっていう形のレンズに対して、この新しい35の 1.4 っていうのが、もう手ブレ補正とかも全く載ってないんですけど、この光学性能を重視して、究極のこれ SP シリーズっていうレンズなんですけど、究極の SP レンズということで、これは非常に気持ちを入れて撮れるようなレンズという形で作ったということです。
You know that we previously introduced the 35mm 1.8 with the VC vibration compensation. The concept of this lens is to make the lens compact, so that if number is not 1.4, and we decided to do it with 1.8. And one of the benefits of this lens is MOD, minimum focus distance, is 0.2 meters, so you can use this lens as a macro. So it's really convenient lens with a compact size. And on the contrary, the newly developed 35 1.4, we are achieving the best image quality with a high resolution without having any vibration compensation. We just want to achieve the best quality, best image with this lens. So this is the very different type of lens.
Okay, go to the next lens. This is a very interesting lens, and I think most of the Tamron fans cannot guess why you introduce a lens with 35mm to 150. It's very interesting.
変な焦点距離ですねみたいな。
Why is this zoom range and what is what excels in the optical design?
Because we are looking at the area of the portrait photography, because in America, in USA, or in Asian country, wedding photography is really popular, and some photographer use the prime lenses like 85 or 35 or 105 or 135 as a portrait photography. So our concept want to make the one lens which can cover those particular prime lenses focal lengths like 35, 50, 85, or 105. So those popular portrait focal lengths are packed in just one lens, and we want to make it the f number is 2.8 constant, but in order to do it the size becomes bigger, so we just decided to make 2.824 to make the compact size.
Okay.
And this is a 85mm focal length. You can just shoot the subject from the head, yes, bust up shots. And if you can zoom out, you can go to cover the whole body. And if you go to the teleside, and you can just get the really nice portrait photography. So without changing the position of the photographer, you can just zoom in or zoom out. You can cover everything for the best, photography for portrait.
Okay. So
レンズ交換なしで。
Without changing the lens.
it's very good for portrait. Yeah.
Yes.
And what is the market positioning for this? This is the high end, middle range, or
ハイエンドではないけど、
ミドルからまあハイエンドのあたりだったり。
From the middle photographer to the high-end photographer.
It's very easy to use it. Yeah. So
Yes.
Okay. For this is I think most of people very wait for it for a long time. Now have 17 to 28 and 28 to 75.
Yes.
Can you tell me the next
こ
one?
の次はね、まあでも
考えてるところだけど、
ですよね。まあスペックは言えないけど、
これって小型軽量のね、シリーズで作ってるから、やっぱり望遠側も小型軽量で作りたいとか、やっぱりそれを考えてる。
Of course, we are thinking to make one more lens to cover the telezoom side, and the focal length or specification still hasn't decided yet. We cannot say now, but we are, planning the very attractive zoom lens to cover the telephoto side. Not the very ultra, but very compact size.
Compact size. Okay.
Same concept as these two lenses.
Because of those two lenses, because of the zoom range is not very common. Now it's 16 to 35 and 24 to 70.
Yes.
Two lenses, very good mirrorless lens.
Yes.
So, do you have any plan to make a set mount or RF mount version?
Since Canon EOS R or Nikon Z, we are of course doing research and development. What kind of camera control system they are using, so that maybe in the future we can make the native mounts for the Canon and Nikon. So of course using the same optical design, If we have chance after researching the market demand, we of course want to consider to make these lenses in Canon mount and Nikon mount.
I think most of the users waiting for your different mounts version.
Yes, of course. But there are some difficulties to make this lens in Canon EOS R or Nikon Z because of the change of the flange back and also the angle of the sensor. Each camera has a different camera sensor and also the mount diameter. So we really carefully review and study if we can convert this optical design to be used for the Canon EOS R and Nikon Z.
Canon is introduced a low price full frame mirrorless RP. So this the marketing position is very good if you are less. Do you have, because of this, speed up to make how mount version first?
キャノンがね、RP 安いカメラ出してたからね、キャノンは高いレンズしかないんで、まあタムロンにとってはすごい有利ですよねっていうんで、まあ将来的にキャノンマウントを早めるみたいなね、そういうのは
お客様からのご要望は多いので、やっぱり何らかの形でね、出していかなきゃいけないのかなっていうのはありますね。
We realize that there are now so much demand from the consumers requires those compact lenses to be available on Canon EOS R because of that announcement of the new camera from cheaper camera from Canon. So you never know, but it's really difficult to speed up our developments because we have to do the reverse engineering.
Okay. We all know you will introduce a tele lens with a set
Tele 側のレンズもね、
F2.8. So how about the fourth next lens prime lens, E-mount prime lens or other?
今度 E マウントのね、プライムレンズね、単焦点の明るいレンズはどうですか？
明るいレンズね。
テレ側のこれが出てくるのは分かったけど、
この次の。やっぱりお客様のご要望がやっぱりそっちも多いので、やっぱその単焦点の方もまあ考えていきたいなと思いますけどね。
We are of course considering to develop the new prime lenses for Sony mounts as well in the future, but this is totally up to the market because it's now we don't know yet how the full frame mirrorless market is going to be.
For the mirrorless, you designing your new lens sizes the first, or the qualities the first?
サイズとね、質の画質のね、両立っていうのはあるんだろうけど、まあどっち優先するんですかとこれから開発において。
なるほど。まず最初はこれのシリーズっていうのはサイズ最優先にどんだけ小さくするかっていうのを最優先でやってきて、でまあ今後ねやっぱりこれもお客様のご要望を聞きながらっていう形になるんですけど、そこからさらに画質優先にしたものをまあ出していくっていうような形になってるかなっていうふうに思ってます。
You know that this is a kind of balance, and trading off, which factor is most important. And we of course think that the size, compact size is the first priority all the time.
もちろんそうですね。当然ながらこのレンズもF2.8 っていうのがあるので、もう光学性能には非常にこだわって作ってるっていうのもあるんですけど、それプラス、サイズを、 両立させるような開発をしているという。
Of course, the quality of the image is also important. So we don't compromise the quality of the image by having a very compact size. So this balance is really
Yes, I really
difficult.
believe you can do this.
Yes.
Thank you for the assistance.
はい、
Thank you.
どうぞ。
ありがとうございます。
好啦，啱啱咧就同大家咧就訪問完咧騰龍嘅兩位高層人士啦，咁啊大家都了解到咧，即係呢幾支鏡咧，即係尤其是咧就響嚟無反鏡上面咧，騰龍鏡嘅發展啊，大家咧都真係要拭目以待啦！即係我都仲好期待佢第三支之外其他嗰啲鏡頭咧。好 ，thank you very much。
Thank you very much。多謝，唔該。